Hey, hi. I'm so happy to begin using um, Animate now with Adobe animation apps. First video. Okay, yeah. And as you can see yesterday, got this right there. Okay. Anyway, I'm using a Droid cam. So I remember I told you I had three webcams. My normal webcam, and I had a couple others, but I had Ivy cam, and then I had Droid cam. So Ivy cam, that webcam, it's so strong, like it disconnects so easily. Like it's very slippery. Like it's very hard to stay connected with Ivy cam. I don't know, once you're connected, it stays connected, but honestly, it's really the same thing. Okay, one thing I like about Droid cam is it comes with a flip camera option, so I can just flip my camera. And I just flip it back. So I really like this split camera thing with Rode Cam. The thing I like about Ivy Cam though is it's just more easier for me to use. Yeah, okay, so that's what I like a little bit more. It does come with some pretty nice features, and as you can see, I'm looking right at my webcam now, so it helps using an app instead. The reason why I'm not using my regular desktop camera is because when you're getting into Animate, it comes with the face feature option where it captures movement, and that one will probably it doesn't have to always use your desktop one, but for that one I won't use my desktop one. So I realized if I use so people use more than one webcam, so I'm gonna have one webcam set up here, then I'm gonna have another webcam set up over there. I'm gonna use it like that and that will work. Okay, so just open up Adobe or whatever you have. And I've created Cloud, and we need to open up, or I can just open it up from right here. Um, Character Animator CH right there. So yeah, I have installed the newest version of Adobe, Adobe 2021. That's the newest version that came out, and so this is Adobe Character Animator. So there are two animation apps. There's Adobe Animate and there's Adobe Character Animator. Okay, um, both are pretty nice, but I'm gonna use Character Animator for this one. Animate is like a little bit similar, except so what are the characters? There are very different definitions of it. Characters are like puppets basically, and you like play your little scene. And I'm gonna open up Animate a little bit later to show you the differences and similarities. Okay, as soon as this thing opens, thing's taking way too long. But what are you looking for?
Thanks.
Give me a second. Let me fix this. What the problem is. That's it now. Now I realize, wait, how would that fix anything? Or what exactly I did? I didn't do much, okay? I barely even did anything. So now let's see. Actually, this is happened before. It's actually loading right now, so I had to go and like fix the thing. So I just wanted to. I'm back. Okay. Because I'm using a separate device for this, and this is just another monitor I'm using for today. Okay, this is taking way too much time, right? Actually, I was a little bit worried in this video that Dorky wouldn't be good, and I have one worry. Another worry in this video is will it lag or will it not lag? Actually, I was gonna do a what was it called a processing video, and it didn't work because I had to like shoot or record in different areas, and then I had to merge them all, and the file was so big. I'm pretty sure it didn't even convert. I knew like I couldn't compress the file at first, but I didn't do that. And if I compressed the file, then I could easily have merged it. But the thing is, that was so long ago. Was that? Actually, it wasn't that long ago. It was this week only. It was. It was like Friday or Thursday. I'm not sure. Mm. I knew you could have gotten our processing meeting, but that didn't work. So, you know what? Scrap that idea. Time flew by. I didn't think of what other videos to do. Yeah. So these are the puppets that you can see in here, Animator. These are your example puppets. Oh, it says not responding. That's why it's still loading. There we go. Now these are not all the puppets. Actually, my webcam is covering up some of them, so I'm just gonna move my. Should I move my webcam or is it fine? I know. There's my webcam, my video capture device. No, not you. Not that. My webcam. I want to move my webcam. Okay. Can I do that? I don't know if you guys can read this. This is like pretty hard to read. Some of the parts are, but I'm pretty sure you guys should be able to read like these parts are. It's fine. There are a few more ones over here, but we're not really gonna worry about them for now. So I might make a separate video on how to make your own puppet because that's the first thing really you do whenever you get into character animator. Okay. Now I'm gonna open up Adobe Animate. Okay. Just to kind of like show you the differences. So I'm gonna go back to Creative Cloud, and now I'm gonna just open up. I'm just gonna search it up. Animate. There you go. Adobe Animate 2021 app. It's this one. I have a lot of animation apps, but Adobe is one of my favorite ones to use. It's taking a while, and I want to show you both. I really want to. I think I'm lagging. Am I lagging? I can tell if I'm lagging, kind of. I can kind of tell if I'm lagging. No, we're good. Okay. I think my audio is a little better now. I don't sound perfect with my audio, but I try to make it perfect. This is what Adobe Animate. Oh, it's gone. I might have to go back and fix it over there. So that happens again. Alright, so welcome back. Try another tutorial. This is the default screen. I was gonna do skip. Yeah, go ahead. Is that mine or Sammy's?
Yours.
Where'd you find it?
It's there. Can you go and keep your. But यहाँ पे फिर से गंदा किसने कर दिया? कल हमने साफ किया था कि और we didn't do it.
Go?
Oh, we didn't do the room clean, right?
Yeah.
You only did vacuum, right?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to grab a dustpan and then grab a duster and collect all the debris, all this into the dustpan and clean this? Hmm?
Okay.
Come on, I'll give you stuff. Bring your cup.
Okay. Hold on, I gotta go. Okay, let's see. Problem is, there's no like problem here. It's just that you did something. Alright, sorry for the pausing, everyone. Don't worry, I'll edit the video out, okay? So it should all be fine now, okay? Okay, good. Ooh, okay, so here we have. Welcome back for another tutorial. Um, I'm gonna do skip, and now, we have this. I'm gonna a little bit more, a little similar. Uh, okay, but I'm gonna open up CH. I'm gonna click on Open Project. Dang, that's a lot of files, man. Alright, so I'm gonna click on Chad. Learn a little bit about Chad. And we can now import him into this scene. And I think here now we have him in this scene, okay? Now, for example, when I blink, like, he'll also blink. When I do he'll also do that. I'm gonna move this a little bit sideways, okay, so it kind of does that. Now the thing is, this chair brings me so low that not all my face gets covered in the right position. Now watch what happens if I do this, Chad, and this is the right click. Now let's say I do E2 EVSoft IV Cam, then that'll happen. But it will capture my mouth movement, it just won't capture my eye movement. Ah, ah, okay, yep, nice. Well then we have to go to the farm. That's interesting. Now let's say we try to do droid cam. It won't work because of that. So that's why I did this. But if I do HP, then it'll work. Right? So yeah, we're totally fine with this. Okay. So, alright, so this way we can kind of use these types of features to help us out. Alright, there we go. I'm just gonna look at the face thing over there so you guys can see my face. So now you can kind of see how we have Chad. It kind of follows along with my head and my ears. Well, that doesn't happen, but and let's say I'm looking straight at the camera now, and I'm gonna blink. It also blinks. This is what the animator software you guys want, okay? This is how you're wondering how in animation movies do they like close the mouth at the right time, blink at the right time, do all of that at the right time, okay? So what I'm gonna do now is with Chad over here. You can also look at his positions, okay? His where he's placed, and you can even look at his parts, okay? So I'm gonna go back home. Now I'm gonna do um open lessons. We're gonna try some lessons together, okay? Because lessons is the foundation, the building blocks of um character animator, okay? And I want to really try and do some of these, okay? So I'm gonna play this little animation here.
Hey, Rosini the Wizard here. I picked the short straw, so lucky me, I have to teach you about recording. All the lessons are on your left in your project panel. Go ahead and double click Lesson 1 Recording to get started.
Alright, double click recording in panel to start the first lesson. And already you can notice how now it paused the camera microphone thing, but now it started it again. So it's already following my movements. My tilting, my hmm, hmm, no tongue. Hmm. Alright, so double click lesson 1. Alright, there it is.
So you want to record a performance, eh? Well, it couldn't be easier. First, select a character in the timeline. Then, press the red record button. Give it a try.
Okay. No, I can do it out of the recording now. I'm going to stop the recording, move on to lesson 2. Arming.
If you were recording a song, you would record drums, guitars, vocals, glockenspiel, you know the basics. Well, in Character Animator, it's kind of the same concept, except instead of instruments, we have eyes, lip sync, face movements, and more. When a puppet is selected in the timeline, you'll see their available recordable actions, called behaviors, show up in the Right Properties panel. Anything with a red dot means it's ready to record. Get it? Red, ready to record? Because okay, never mind. You can click the red dots to disarm them, so you can focus on one element at a time. Try disarming and arming behaviors, and see what happens.
Alright, so it says click the 3 dots next to the eye gaze and face to disarm them. Notice how these behaviors are no longer being tracked live. Disarming helps you focus on a recording one element at a time. Double click lesson 3 parameters when you're done experimenting. So what I'm going to try now, oh look, I'm still going? There you go. Is, let's say I turn off the eye gaze, okay? So now let's say I turn it back on. I don't really know what the eye gaze did. Let's say turn the face off. Now the facial movements are still recording me, but whenever I turn my head, that's not going to work. But if I turn it back on, now it's going to work. Lip sync. Now it's not going to lip sync me anymore. See? I mean, it's gonna like have my eyes and my face, but it's not gonna have my lips anymore. Alright? Now let's try parameters.
When you click the arrow to twirl open a behavior, you'll see its custom parameters. Changing these can have a dramatic effect on how your puppet animates. I'll probably regret this, but try adjusting some values under the face behavior and see what happens to me.
I know I'm doing weird stuff, but I want to try this one actually. We'll skip that lesson.
You don't have to do all of your talking live. You can also import an audio file. Drag it into your timeline, and then go to Timeline, Compute Lip Sync Take from Scene Audio to analyze the voice and create all your mouth shapes. Can you please help stop this inner monologue and get my mouth moving again?
Okay, so what we have to do is go to timeline, computer lip. So that's right here.
You don't have to do all of your talking live. You can also import an audio file. Drag it into your timeline, and then go to Timeline, Compute Lip Sync Take from Scene Audio to analyze the voice and create all your mouth shapes. Can you please help stop this inner monologue and get my mouth moving again?
Alright, so see, we fixed it. Alright, now scene properties.
Uh-oh, we're zoomed out a little bit too far. And my frame rate seems kinda low. To change the scene properties, select the scene in the project panel and adjust its properties on the right. Can you make my scene the right size and help me move a little smoother?
Alright, so first, select lesson 5 scene properties. Can I rename this? Fifth scene. And I can rename my fifth scene. So I can change the width to 18, width to 2080, and height to 720. So width over here, let's change it to 1280, and now the height to 720. I think these are pixels. Should be pixels. Okay. Oh, there we go. And frame rate's at 24. So frame rate's at 8 FPS. I'm gonna make it 24 FPS, 24 frames per second. All right, and there we go.
Uh-oh, we're zoomed out a little bit too far. And my frame rate seems kinda low. To change the scene properties, select a scene in the project panel and adjust its properties on the right. Can you make my scene the right size and help me move a little smoother?
Yep, did that. All right, now let's do 6 blending takes. All right, starting.
Every time you record a new take, it shows up above any other takes you've already done. Whatever take is on top is what you'll see. Anything below that won't show up and gets shadowed. But if you'll change it to a new take, it can look like this. Choppy amateur looking stuff, right? So many takes have blend handles that you can drag to blend performances together, resulting in much smoother transitions and animations. Could you please blend my face takes so they actually look good?
In the timeline, find the face input takes. Try dragging the blend handles to small squares in the upper corners to create smoother transitions. So what it's saying is find the face camera input takes. Alright, so look, we can find the input takes for this. What's going on? I want to go to actually editing takes. This seems interesting for this lesson.
Even the best performances need a little editing. First, click the red dot to disarm your character so you won't see any new live performances coming in. Then, you can drag the edges of a take to trim it, or drag the center to move it around. On some tracks, like lip sync or trigger swap sets, you can right-click an element to see other potential options. Let's put it to the test. Try editing my performance.
Alright, so we're going to try and edit his performance. First, click the red dot next to the wizard to focus editing the timeline. Then try dragging takes to move them. Alright, what's going on here now? Oh, I just messed something up. Oh wait, I added my recording.
Performance.
Takes to move them. Alright, what's going on here now? Oh, that's pretty fun. Yeah, we're not gonna really get into that today in this video.
You're probably wondering how I can disappear like this, so I'll let you in on the secret. It's keyframes. They let you change a value over time. So, to make myself pop up from the bottom, I go to my transform behavior, click the stopwatch next to position Y, and click and drag over the blue number to change it to whatever I want. Then, I just move down the timeline a little bit and drag the numbers again, which makes a new keyframe. When I play it back, Character Animator makes a nice transition between the two keyframes. Now it's your turn. Try setting some position X keyframes to have me slide in from the left to the
Alright, so it says move the playhead a few seconds to the right. Alright, so first click the stopwatch icon that appears next to transform position X. Oh, so tired. Alright, let's see what it takes. First, click the stopwatch icon that appears next to transform position X. Alright, so that's right over here, okay? Transform, right here, where my cursor is. Now it says position X. Where is position X? Do I have to like take it to position X or what? It says position Y. Oh, okay, so there's just a stopwatch icon then, huh? Oh no, here it is. Transform. It says anchor point X. There it is, position X. Stopwatch icon, check. Alright. When you hover over it to create a keyframe, then drag over the blue to change a number value. Then drag over the blue to drag over the blue number. I'll make your keyframe. Can I make it 40? There we go, 40. Right there, it's at 40. Second move, the playhead a few seconds to the right. Right here. Move this a few seconds to the right. Alright, let's see how it is. Nothing's happening. Okay. Why am I on? Okay. Wait, let's go back from the start. From the start. Why can't we go back? There we go.
You're probably wondering how I can disappear like this, so I'll let you in on this.
That's fine. Exporting.
So, you're finally all done and ready to share your creation with the world. The share icon in the upper right gives you plenty of options. Most of the time, I just choose video via Adobe Media Encoder, which lets me export a video in just about any format. Now, if you know After Effects or Premiere Pro and want to add some more bells and whistles to your production, just import your Character Animator project file into those programs and it'll be dynamic linked. For now though, let's just check out your options.
Alright, so click the share option to see various export options. So you can do via Adobe Media Encoder, which is this. Video with Alpha via Adobe Media Encoder, PNG sequence and wave, Adobe Dynamic Link, frame pup and live options. Alright, there we go. Let's go back home, okay? Okay, now I'm gonna click on start your first tutorial over here, because I think now we're ready to do starting your first tutorial actually. There we go. Just preparing scene. Let's go back home. We don't really need to do this. I'm going to try the online tutorials for a little bit, and then we're just going to go over to Animator. This Adobe Animate app. We might do it today or tomorrow or some other time. Alright, I think we're ready to start animating, you guys, okay? Are you guys ready to do some animations ourselves in Adobe Character Animate? I am. Alright, let's get started. Oops, wrong app. Alright, there we go. Let's click New Project. Or we can click Open Project. But the thing is, I don't really have a lot of projects open. So we're going to click New Project. And we're going to call this, My First Animation. You guys can call it whatever you want, okay? And save as file type, just leave it like that, and now hit save, okay? It will then create a project like this, okay? And then once this thing starts popping up, you can look. Actually, like, should I turn my webcam off or should I leave it on? I'm gonna leave it on, okay? Because it's fun. So I already have one this one at the top over there, my top one, right there, and then I have this one going on over here. But I guess that's fine. So actually, it is supposed to look exactly like this, okay? Or no, it's not. Why is it all black? Why is it all blank? Should there be something there? Hold on. Oh, okay. Stream. Record. Puppet. New empty puppet. Puppet. What do we call this? First puppet. There. That's his name. Why is it doing it like this? Now I'm just going to click on the example puppet first, and then I'm going to try it, okay? We're going to animate Chad, okay? You guys want to start animating a little bit with Chad? So for example, I can turn off his eye gaze, and the eye gaze, alright. Oh, is the eye gaze, you mean like if it follows the eyebrows or not? Well, that's the eye gaze. Now I know what the eye gaze is. Really not much. Okay. So let's say we want to import our own audio into Chad. So let's say we do the timeline. The timeline. Okay. Let's see if maybe we can give him some. Let's give him something to say, okay? Because he played really nothing happens. Let's search it up. How do we import audio files? Alright, there we go. So let's get an audio file first. So let's go ahead and record an audio file, okay? I'm gonna do this in voice. In my voice recorder app in Windows. You guys can record wherever you want. Okay, so we're gonna record our own software type thing, I guess, and then we're gonna use this for our recording. And if you're wondering, what to do now, just click the record button. Okay, hi, my name is Chad, and I'm just happy to be a puppet. Using this puppet, which is me, I will be able to automatically adjust using this audio. Goodbye. Alright, let's hear it. Okay, hi, my name is Chad, and I'm just happy to be a puppet. Using this puppet, which is me, I will be able to automatically adjust using this audio. Goodbye. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna save it. So we're not gonna share it. We're gonna save it. But I could share it to my. I don't want to share it. There's a way. You right click on the audio file. You can click on the open file location, and then we can use that to add it in there. Come on, open the file location. Alright, there we go. There it is. Recording 4. I'm going to move it to my 2019 to 2020 folder. Now if I go there, it's there. Okay. Now let's go back to animate. Character create. Now, probably close it. Stop confusing me. What did it say in Google? File import. Okay. So let's see. File import 2020 folder. Where is it? So where to go? What is in my? Oh, is it here or what? Is it quick access? Where is it? Recording 4, that's what it's called. Where is it? Not there for some reason. When I recorded it was there. But where did voice go? Where did voice go? I'm just gonna.
Very wrong because aren't
Oh, wait, where'd it go? Did I just delete it? Did I delete it? Did I seriously just delete the file? Okay, try it again. Okay, so hi, my name is Chad, and as you can see, I'm a puppet in this animation, and I am using Sid's voice to talk and move, and goodbye. Okay, hopefully this works. Try it again. Okay, so hi, my name is Chad, and right click, rename. Hi, my name is Chad. Right click, open file location. There it is, right? Now take this recording. Hey, where is the recording? Did I say hi, my name is Chad? What is happening? Hi, my name is Chad, and I'm a puppet in this animation. Goodbye. Hi, my 6 seconds. Where is it? This is recording 4, right? My name is Chad, and I'm a puppet in this animation. Goodbye. Is it even in pictures?
hello you guys. Hope
What is going on in here? Hi, it's me, Chad, and I'm a puppet from Adobe Character Create. Hope you guys are having fun. Bye. We're gonna find a better place to record it, not here for sure. Yeah, see, like here, it's not even popping up. Alright, let's try it somewhere else. Voice recorder website. Let's just go to a website and do it. Because for some reason there, it's not working. I'm gonna try something else. Hi, my name is Chad, and I'm a puppet from Adobe Character Animator. I like to move and I like to walk, and I'm using my facial expressions from this recording from Sid. Goodbye. This should work this time. Okay, why? Now let's try it. Hopefully it works this time. File, import, because I downloaded this. Downloads. Alright, see, it's a .mp3 file. Now it's not gonna work yet because I just imported it into the scene. I'm gonna actually have to make this thing work now. So now that I import it, I have to drag it into the timeline, okay? That's what it's saying. So let's go to the timeline. Wrong app. Oh, it did automatic. Hold on. Let's just no. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now let's see how this works. My name is Chad. I'm a puppet from Adobe Character Animator. I like to move and I like to walk, and I'm using my facial expressions from this recording from Sid. Goodbye. Okay, stop. Okay, now that we've dragged it in there, we need to go to timeline and compute lip sync from scene audio. Wrong app. Timeline. Where did it compute take scene from audio? It says compute lip sync from scene audio. My name is Chad. I'm a puppet from Adobe Character Animator. I like to move. But why isn't this thing working? Okay. Hmm. isn't this working? Maybe. What does it say? Compute. Hold on, I need to load it a little. My name is Chad. I'm a puppet from Adobe Character Animator. I like to move. Why can't I see it though? Compute lip sync from scene audio. Why can't I see it? There's gotta be a reason why I can't see it though, right? Maybe I need to. I need to also start the. Did the facial movements work? Yeah, the facial movements work. Hold on. Yeah, the facial movements work. My name is Chad. I'm a puppet. Okay, there we go. Yeah, Lord timeline. Compute lip sync. Yeah, there we go. Now it might work. If this works, we are good to go in this video. Let's see what happens. My name is Chad. I'm a puppet from Adobe Character Animator. I like to move and I like to walk, and I'm using my facial expressions from this recording from Sid. Goodbye. It works, but the only problem I see is it's not doing the facial expressions. But those I can add later, right? Or no, I can't. It needs to come with it. I like to move, I like to walk. Why is it like this again? Oh yeah, that's why. It's because when I added the audio files, all it did was it added the audio files. Because even if I could have like done that, it wouldn't. How to? I need to. Okay, now let's try this. Let's see. Timeline, compute head movement from speech. Now can I do it? Okay, now I'm gonna try to do the head movements. We got the lip sync working. I want to compute the head movements from the speech. I want to see if this works. If this works, genius. If not, though, we actually tried something that actually worked. Because I want to see if I can get head movements working as well. Again, I love Adobe Character Animator. That's my favorite place to animate. I mean, Adobe, it's really good. Uh, okay, now let's see how this thing works. My name is Chad. I'm a puppet from Adobe Character Animator. I like to move and I like to walk, and I'm using my facial expressions from this recording from Sid. Goodbye. We did it, you guys. I'm so happy this actually worked. And the reason why the timeline's still going is because I could have added more and more and more audio up to a minute, and honestly, this thing doesn't really stop. So we need to find a way to trim the animation. Okay, trim the animation. Oh, the animation was only that long until 30 seconds would pass. So what I would recommend you doing is I think we could. Wait. It worked though. It worked. The timeline. Okay. But now I'm gonna try something. How do you trim it? Didn't I say something about trimming it? Like finding a way going from here. Hmm. Hmm. How do I figure out a way to make him trim? All this is doing is it's moving me closer. That's really all that's doing. To give me like more space, I guess. But do I need to find a way to like trim it? Hmm. You guys want to watch the video on how to do that? Or oh yeah, we can share it and then we can trim it there. Let's do that. Share via Adobe Media Encoder. Now let's open up Adobe Media Encoder. Should I go there or should I go somewhere else? I'm a little bit confused on what to do now. Just looking at my frozen image over there. My still image. Um, well, that was awesome and fun. So I guess now with our animations, we can use this to help us in our future animations. So now we know how to import our own audio. In this way, with our own audio and with our puppets, the thing is, the only thing, there are only two parts left. Animating, because really we only got into the voicing, the lip syncing, we didn't really get into like someone walking in and then this happening, this happening. The animating itself, really, I didn't want to take it step by step. I mean, we'd actually have some animations, some movements, and puppets, but really that's all later, okay? Today is just the basics. Just the basics of it, okay? Today was all just the basics of the animation. And we learned how to do something interesting. So my goal for you guys today is it doesn't have to be Chad, it can be someone else. Record it, import it, and then share it to your friends. Say like, hey, I made this animation. Now the thing is with Chad, he only has the head part in. And when you make an animation, and when we see it on TV, you see the whole body's in it. You might have to actually make your own custom puppet for animation. You can actually make one in Photoshop, and then the only thing is, notice how here, whenever you make a character, it has separate options. Like one place you can just look at its eyes, one place you can look at its face, its movements, its facial features. So, and this is something. I don't know, we'll look at over here. Alright, so I guess this is media encoder. It's really nothing much. Really nothing much. Let's go to After Effects now and edit the thing. Alright. Now, I'm not gonna ask you to buy After Effects, but I recommend you get it. Again, first thing is I recommend you get Creative Cloud, okay? I know it's a bit expensive, but maybe cut down on soft subscriptions. Now, I'm not gonna say everyone, but if there's something you're not watching, there's really no point in, like, keeping it, okay? So, yeah. Now, again, I know this is super duper duper expensive, so, maybe just get, okay, maybe not every app, just a few apps. Photoshop, Animator, Character Animator, Media Encoder, and After Effects, or Premiere Pro, whatever you want. Just these, and don't worry about the other ones, okay? Or, to make it simpler, get Creative Cloud. Best option I'd recommend, or buy the apps separately, only the ones you want, but then again, um, I'd recommend really get this. At least this one, or Premiere Pro. Premiere Pro is an editing software that a lot of people you like to use. There's Premiere Pro and there's Premiere Rush. Rush is for like the mobile version, and Rush is actually a free app. You can get Adobe Premiere Rush for free on your phone, and yeah. Actually, what people did was they took all Adobe apps and then they found a free alternative one. Like for Photoshop, there was Photopea. I think for this one there was Blender. I do not like Blender. Blender is way too complicated for me. But not that complicated. Again, I am just I'm going along with the right with you guys, Kate, as an animator. What is taking this thing so long? I had to wait so long for Adobe Character Animator load. Not wait for this. You know, isn't it so weird how like they name these things in a periodic table style fashion? Like they put two letters and then they first take the first element and then they capitalize the first letter and then the next one is lowercase. Similarly here, it's in a periodic table styled app way. Uh, Initializing media core. I don't want you to initialize media core. I just want you to open it up the best way possible. All I'm doing is trimming something. Actually, there might be another place where we can trim. You can even see the loading screen going on. Oh, it's already opened. By open, I mean like it's getting opened. Please don't say not responding. Yep, bye-bye. You have completely ruined my day. I mean, not completely. I'm just gonna move you. I don't care if Windows needs to go to tell Microsoft to fix that problem. I'm gonna go to someone who cares. Premiere does. Adobe Premiere. You wanna do Pro or Rush? We'll do Pro. I have both. We'll do Pro. I know when I asked the question, it was rhetorical. You guys weren't there. No one you can do Rush. Should be the similar steps. Okay, now it's taking you so long. That was great though, work, by the way. Okay, now that I've gotten you taken care of, you can see it's loading. Wait, where's the file though? Is it in my quick access or let's go to quick access? And there it is, my first animation. And it will load once my quick access is done loading. Photoshop video will come soon, actually. It will come soon. Okay. You're taking way too long. But it's in media coder, right? Hold on. Let's go back to character animator. Let's share this. with live options. What's the best place to share it with? Like, get this thing to work. Share. Oh, come on. That's not working either. Don't tell me that this is gonna stop responding as well, huh? Oh no. It's gonna take me, it's gonna redirect me over there. Let's try something else. Share. File. Save project as. Alright, cancel. Cancel. Oh, I don't care. Do not care. You're taking way too much time as well. Goodbye, PR. Come on, I need to share this somewhere. Now what? Oh, now it's gonna start sharing, isn't it? I don't want to do that. Scene Shad Photoshop. I don't want to do that. What if I go home? Will it still be there? I guess it's still there. And if I go to my first animation again? Yep, it's gonna come right back. Okay. Way too much time, man. Way too much time. Share, go share it. I don't need help. Well, kind of, but share. Let's go. Share again. Okay. Way too much time. Way too much time. Wait. Can I just open it from here? In my first animation. What if I open it up from here? That name is not valid. What do you mean that name is not valid? Documents. What do I do with my documents? Documents. My Adobe documents. Character. Animator. My first animation. Media. Recordings. 2011. What does that mean? Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Now I'm done with you guys if you're not help. It's fine, you guys, right? Isn't it fine? Hmm.
The transform and physics behavior timeline enable work area will show you a work area bar that you can drag the middle of to reposition, or drag the edges to adjust.
Yeah, we're good. We're good with that. Alright. We're fine. Alright, you guys, we've reached the end of the video. See you soon.